My name is Josh Lawson. I'm a Senior Director of Business Development here at Essentium. Hard T there, Ben, but it's okay. So we are a 3D printing manufacturer, industrial 3D printing manufacturer. We manufacture both the machines and the materials. We are located here in Austin, Texas. A little bit about us. Our headquarters is here in Austin, but we have sites all over the world, Europe, Asia, also Mexico, but we are 8 years old as a company. And we've worked with corporate partners, both on the material side, the software side, machine side, but then we've also worked with some of our key customers, both with in the private sector and the public sector on the DoD side, and some of our customers down there that you guys can see down there at the bottom. A little bit about Essentium. So we are what we would consider a category creator in additive manufacturing. So we built this based off of our 3D printing machine, the HSE, which stands for high-speed extrusion. That allows us to go 5 times the speed and 80% of cost savings of our closest competitor in the space, with proven adoption in both the DoD and some of the world's most demanding manufacturers. Like I mentioned, we manufacture all of our own filaments in-house. So we have a very diverse portfolio of both high-performance polymers and composites. We combine that with industry's most advanced high-speed extrusion additive system for large-scale manufacturing. Like I mentioned, we work with both DoD and private companies in aerospace, automotive, contract manufacturing. And really what the advantage for additive in general, but also with Essentium, it gives you the freedom of design, it gives you cost and time savings, it gives you the streamlined supply chain, which we're all currently feeling. It supports sustainability, and then it gives you a cure for obsolescence. But to date, one of the biggest pieces that has been missing is a machine and a material portfolio that gives you the strength, the speed, and the scalability. As you can see here in the product lifecycle, historically, additive manufacturing has been focused just on prototyping, but what Essentium is doing is it's moving into full production, all the way into end of life production for spare parts production. As you can see here, we have a lot of applications that we can work on with both our private and our public customers, everything from jigs and fixtures to end-use parts and rapid prototyping. A couple of use cases that we're really proud of. As you can see here, we've worked with the Air Force. We were given a contract last year, which is a 4-year contract with the United States Air Force to improve additive manufacturing. Their study came back on multiple parts, but a few here where they saw just on these 3 pieces here, average savings using our high-speed extrusion platform of 80% cost savings over our competitor in the space. So what this allows them to do is scale up with additive manufacturing. We have over 20 industrial grade materials in our current portfolio, everything ranging from nylons up to high performance aerospace grade materials in-house. And then we have our industrial machines. We have our newest release platform, which is our 280i platform, which is the industry's first dual independent head platform, meaning you have 2 heads moving at the same time. What that allows us to do is have 5 different print modes, everything from single head to support mode, to printing with multiple materials, and even copy mode on there. We also have a full range of HSE 180 printers, as you can see here. So just to end here quickly, as we have worked with customers all over the world, everyone is creating a additive manufacturing strategy to support or replace their traditional manufacturing. So I would say if you don't have a robust additive strategy, you're both leaving productivity and dollars on the table, and your competitors are gaining a competitive edge. So the future of manufacturing will have additive at its core, and we'd love to partner with you in the journey to that reality.